In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back changes in Wix website. If you've made an edit you regret or something broke during a design tweak, don't worry, Wix gives you a couple of reliable ways to go back. I'll walk you through quick undos for immediate fixes, and then show you how to recover a previous version of your site using site history for a more complete rollback. First up, the fastest option is using undo and redo inside the Wix editor. Look for the back arrow icon at the top of the editor to undo your last action. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl++ on Windows or Cmd+ on a Mac to undo, and use Ctrl+Y on Windows or Cmd+Shift+ on a Mac to redo. This is great for small, recent changes, like moving an element, deleting a section by mistake, or tweaking text. For bigger recoveries, use Wix Site History. Head to your Wix dashboard. In the top menu, select Site, then choose Site History. You'll see a timeline of saved versions with dates and times. This is especially useful if you made a series of changes and want to revert to a known good version. Click View next to a version to preview it safely without affecting your live site. When you find the one you want, click Restore to revert your site to that version, and confirm by clicking Restore, again in the pop-up. This brings back the layout and content from that point in time. Since this is a website, I've placed a link at the very top of the description so you can open Wix and go straight to your dashboard and site history. Use that link to follow along. After restoring, remember that your public site doesn't change until you click Publish in the editor. Restoring affects the editor version. Publishing pushes it live, so don't skip that step if you want visitors to see the rollback. To find the right version faster, use the Show drop-down inside Site History. You can filter by saved versions, published versions, or starred versions you've marked as important. This saves time when there are lots of entries. A quick note on limitations. Site History restores your site's layout and content, but some components may not fully revert, and it won't undo changes to your contact list or app-specific data. Keep that in mind if you rely on apps or collect form submissions. That's it. Use undo and redo for quick fixes and site history when you need a complete rollback. Publish after restoring to make it live. Thanks for watching.